NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have unlocked a new world for artists, musicians, and creators to monetize their work directly. Minting an NFT is like giving your digital creation a home on the blockchain, where its ownership, uniqueness, and scarcity are preserved forever. This guide will help you navigate this exciting journey from choosing what to mint to marketing your finished NFT. Practical tip: explore several popular NFT marketplaces before starting to understand the types of content and aesthetics that resonate with buyers. Seeing what's out there can inspire your own unique approach to NFT creation.
Chapter 1. What is an NFT? NFTs are unique digital assets, unlike cryptocurrencies which are interchangeable. Each NFT has its own identity on the blockchain, giving it verifiable ownership and authenticity. NFTs can represent digital art, collectibles, virtual real estate, or even entire experiences, and they exist across multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Flow. Example: imagine an NFT like a rare, limited edition art print with a certificate of authenticity, only it's secured on the blockchain. Just like a rare comic book or a collectible sports card, an NFT's value can increase over time. Practical tip: research. Different NFT categories such as art, music, or gaming assets to determine what best fits your strengths and interests. Focusing on a specific niche can help you stand out in the NFT community.
Chapter 2. Choosing your digital creation. What makes a great NFT? When selecting a creation to mint as an NFT, consider originality and market appeal. Ask yourself, what makes my work unique? Does it tell a story, have a message, or appeal to a particular audience? Successful NFTs often have distinct qualities that resonate with viewers, like powerful visuals, humor, or exclusive access. Example: some artists create themed NFT series like landscapes, futuristic cities, or characters that appeal to collectors looking to complete a set. This approach can increase demand for future pieces. Practical tip: if you're not sure where to start, create a series or collection with variations on a theme. Collectors often enjoy purchasing multiple pieces from a related set, which can increase engagement with your work.
Chapter 3. Deciding on a blockchain: Ethereum, Polygon, and beyond. Different blockchains offer unique features for NFT creators. Ethereum is the most widely used but has high gas fees. Polygon and Tezos are cheaper and eco-friendlier, while Flow is popular for gaming and collectibles. Each blockchain has its own network of marketplaces, so choose one based on your goals and target audience. Example: Ethereum remains the most visible and trusted blockchain for NFTs, but many artists use Tezos due to its affordable minting costs and environmentally friendly model. Practical tip: compare fees and environmental impact on platforms like Ethereum Gas Station or T-Stats for Tezos. This can help you choose a blockchain that aligns with both your budget and values.
Chapter 4. Setting up your crypto wallet. The key to digital transactions. Your crypto wallet acts as your NFT bank, storing digital assets and facilitating transactions. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet are popular choices. Setting up a wallet requires creating a strong password and safely storing your seed phrase, which is like a backup key to your assets. For example, MetaMask is highly compatible with Ethereum and Polygon and can be added as a browser extension, making it convenient for marketplace access. Practical tip: write down your wallet's seed phrase on paper, never digitally, and store it securely. Consider using a password manager to store your wallet password if you're worried about losing it. Chapter 5. Funding your wallet. Getting ready to mint. Minting an NFT requires funds to pay transaction or gas fees. Buy crypto from an exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance and transfer it to your wallet. Depending on the blockchain, you'll need ETH, Ethereum, Matic, Polygon, or other compatible tokens for gas fees. For example, Ethereum's gas fees can fluctuate significantly based on network demand, sometimes costing as much as $50 or more. By contrast, Polygon's fees can be a few cents, making it a better choice for budget-conscious creators. Practical tip: transfer a small amount first to test the process. If it goes smoothly, you can add more. This will reduce the impact of any transfer errors and ensure you understand how the wallet functions.
Chapter 6. Choosing a marketplace: OpenSea, Rarible, and others. Each marketplace offers different benefits. OpenSea is known for its broad accessibility, supporting Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana NFTs. Foundation is more exclusive and known for high-quality art. Choosing a marketplace involves considering your style, audience, and budget, as well as marketplace fees. For example, OpenSea is beginner-friendly and widely used, while Foundation is known for a premium feel, allowing artists to control prices and enjoy a more curated environment. Practical tip: explore various marketplaces and examine their featured works and selling policies. Some marketplaces charge upfront listing fees, while others, like OpenSea, charge fees only when your NFT sells.
Uploading an NFT involves adding metadata, like a title, description, and tags, that will help it stand out in searches. Think of it as an opportunity to share your NFT story, origins, or message with potential collectors. Use high-resolution images, and consider offering unlockable content for buyers, like an exclusive digital file or access to future updates. For example, a visually compelling NFT with a backstory will attract more interest, similar to how collectibles with a history fetch higher prices. A piece named Starlit Forest with an atmospheric description creates a more immersive experience. Practical tip: use clear, attention-grabbing titles and relevant tags to improve searchability. Avoid generic descriptions, as the more unique the story, the more likely collectors will feel connected to your work.
Chapter 8. Paying the gas fees. What to expect and how to save. Gas fees are transaction fees that vary based on blockchain usage. Ethereum's gas fees can be high during peak hours, while Polygon offers more affordable fees. Timing your transactions during lower demand times, like early mornings or weekends, can help you save on fees. Example: minting on Ethereum can range from $10 to $100 in fees depending on traffic. By comparison, minting on Tezos often costs under $1. Practical tip: use tools like ETH Gas Station to check gas prices before minting. Aim to mint when the gas price is lower to keep costs down. Many creators mint during weekends or off-peak hours.
Chapter 9. Listing and selling your NFT, setting prices and royalties. When listing your NFT, you can choose a fixed price or auction format. Setting royalties ensures you earn a percentage of future sales each time your NFT changes hands. Pricing should consider your costs, including creation time, gas fees, and marketplace trends. Example: if you're unsure about pricing, look at similar NFTs in your category for reference. Many creators start with lower prices and increase as they gain more visibility and experience. Practical tip: consider starting with a lower price or auction format to test interest in your work. Setting a reasonable royalty, typically between 5 to 10%, allows you to benefit from future sales while remaining appealing to buyers.
Chapter 10. Promoting your NFT, getting eyes on your creation. Minting your NFT is just the beginning. Promoting it can help it reach a wider audience. Use platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Discord to showcase your NFT. Join NFT communities, participate in conversations, and share your creative process to build an audience. Consistent engagement can make your work more visible and attractive to collectors. Example: many successful NFT creators use Twitter and Discord to build communities around their work. They often share updates on new projects and offer sneak peeks of upcoming releases. Practical tip: engage in NFT communities by joining groups like Clubhouse Rooms or Twitter Spaces dedicated to NFTs. Networking and collaborating with other artists can expand your reach and attract more attention to your work.
Conclusion. Embrace your NFT journey. Minting your first NFT is a significant step into the world of digital ownership. Each part of the process, from choosing a blockchain to promoting your NFT, adds value to your journey and strengthens your understanding of Web3. Celebrate this new chapter and continue exploring the endless possibilities of digital creation and community.